Okay. Hi, I'm Laura from CasualCooks.com, and we're going to make ranch pasta salad. First thing you need is to cook your bow tie pasta. It's about a package and a half, 16 ounces approximately. You cook that and let it cool. Then you need a cup of Monterey Jack cheese and cheddar cheese, and about a can and a half of sliced black olives, half a cup of green onions, a package of real bacon bits, and then I like to make my own ranch dressing, so I use the package and you follow directions on the back, which is a cup of mayonnaise and a cup of buttermilk. So first thing we're going to do is make the ranch dressing mix. So you have a cup of mayonnaise, add the package of ranch dressing mix, and mix that together. And then you add a cup of butter. And mix that all together. So it's nice and smooth and creamy. Then you get a big enough bowl for your pasta, and I do about half at a time. So that way it makes sure we get it all mixed up. Add a little bit of cheese, a little bit of olives, and a little bit of the green onions, and then some of the bacon bits. We don't want that in the pasta salad. Then add a little bit of the dressing. And then you just mix it up very gently so your pasta doesn't get all torn up. This makes quite a bit of pasta salad, so you could choose to half the recipe if you like, depending on how many people you're going to feed. And then add some more pasta to it. Your cheese, your olives, and the bacon bits. And then you slowly stir that up a little bit, and add the rest of your ranch dressing mix. Just gently stir that up. It's good and blended. And you chill it in the fridge for about an hour, and then it's ready to serve. And that's Cooking with Laura, so make sure you check out CasualCooks.com for other video tutorials and other recipes.